Y'all, this is really good. When I say this is really good, y'all, this is really good. Hi you guys, it's Pesta coming back to you with another freaking video. And today I will be teaching you how to make my chicken noodle soup. Now the way I'm making my chicken noodle soup today, it's not the way I make it all the time, but today I will be making it this way. And yeah, so before I get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And by the end of the video, if y'all like my video, please share my video. Okay, but anyways, let's get into this video. Okay, so the things you would need is some chicken legs. Now you can use chicken thighs, whatever piece of meat that you want in your chicken noodle soup. But I like chicken legs up in my soup, and so this is what I'm going to be using. I will be using 10 chicken legs. Then I have some cut up corn. Then I have some cut up carrots, a small half onion, and I have 4 celery pieces cut up, and then I also have some kale greens. Now you don't have to add the kale greens in yours, but I'm going to add it in mine. It's very good. It's not nasty. It's, y'all would just have to taste it. Okay, it tastes very good in my chicken noodle soup. You will need seasoning salt, sea salt, bouillon cubes, garlic salt, onion powder, and some chicken broth. And you will need 2 of these. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is wash your meat off. Okay, this is cleaned meat, and I'm not using 10 pieces. I'm using 8 pieces. I thought about it. I really didn't need all that meat. So we're going to go ahead and just season the chicken. I got some seasoning salt. Hazel, stop, girl. I got some seasoning salt. Now y'all can season y'all meat how y'all want to season y'all meat, but I'm going to season my meat how I season my meat. Okay, so next thing we're going to add is the garlic salt. Y'all know I love garlic salt. Sprinkle a lot of that. Okay. I got my onion powder. Sprinkle enough of that. And some salt. Just a sprinkle of this. My bouillon seasoning. The whole package. Now I'm going to add my vegetables. After you, boo, I see you too. Okay, so after you add all the vegetables, you want to add 1 box of chicken broth. Add the whole thing. Okay, now y'all see, y'all still got some space up there. The rest you're going to add water. And just fill it up, not all the way to the top, but you know, about 1 inch from the top. Okay, so as you can see, I filled my pot 1 inch from the top with water. Now all you want to do is just turn on your stove on medium low heat. I am putting it on 3. I like to slow cook my chicken. If y'all want to put it on high heat, y'all can, but I like to slow cook my chicken for about an hour with the top on. So in about an hour I will be right back. Okay, do not add it. We're going to add this when the chicken noodles is almost done. Okay y'all, so it's been an hour cooking this on number 3 medium low heat. Right now I'm about to cut it up to about 4.5, 5, so it can, you know, get to cooking. Now the way you're going to know that your chicken soup is done is by seeing that the meat is completely off the bone. So you want to keep cooking it until your meat is completely off the bone. And I forgot to mention that I will be adding my egg noodles to this. It won't be a lot. It will just be a little egg noodles that I will be soon adding once all the meat is off of the bone. So I will be right back to y'all probably in like another hour to show y'all what it's looking like. Okay, y'all, so it's been about 30 minutes. And as you can see, the meat is falling off the bones. This one still got some meat up on it. But this is how you want your bones to look, y'all. Like that. Okay, like that. At this point, I'm just going to go ahead and add the rest of my ingredients up in the pot. I have my egg noodles. Once again, I'm only going to add a little because I really don't need that much pasta. Mix it around. Add some black pepper. And at this point, you can taste your soup to see if it has enough seasoning in it for you. And if it don't, just go ahead and add some more. I already taste mine, and mine tastes perfect. Exactly how I want it to taste. Now you're going to add the kale greens in the inside of it. I'm telling you, y'all never had kale greens up inside of y'all chicken noodle soup, y'all missing out. Y'all really missing out. Push the greens down into the soup. And I'm going to let this cook for the rest of the 30 minutes. With the top on, y'all. With the top on. So I will be right back. Okay, y'all. So the chicken noodle soup is done. As y'all can see, it looks very good. Y'all, this is really good. When I say this is really good, y'all, this is really good. I don't know how many times I gotta say that. This is really good. But, right now, all I'm about to do is bowl my bowl. You get it? But anyways, I'm really finna bowl my bowl. And, yeah, show you what it's looking like. And I paired this with, cornbread. If you didn't want pasta, you can add rice to this, okay? Second container of chicken broth. Y'all can add it up in here. See, I like my soup soupy, but I'm going to add it in my own bowl and not up in here, not up in the pot. So, with the second container, if y'all like y'all soup to be soupy, add some more chicken broth, okay? But anyways, here's my bowl. Okay, y'all, so here's what it's looking like. Y'all. Get into this bowl. Get into it. But anyways, this is the end of the video. If y'all try this recipe out, please come back and let me know how it turned out for y'all in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so the next time you won't miss a video. And also go check out my website, www.embraceheritage.com. Go shop with me, go support me, and I hope y'all having a nice day. Peace out.